What if you could pump up your immune system in less than 60 seconds? With viruses constantly in the news, you need more than luck. You need this medical-grade Super-Tonic that starts working the moment it hits your system. I'm Dr. Liora Bennett. Today, I'm sharing a potent, anti-inflammatory shot designed to strengthen your white blood cells and T killer cells. This isn't just a health drink. It's a biological shield for you and your family. Hit subscribe and let's build your defense. The secret is the synergy of 6 ingredients. Cucumbers provide 96% hydration and vital antioxidants. Garlic contains allicin, the ultimate germ fighter, while ginger uses gingerols to crush systemic inflammation. Together, they clear your digestive path and prep your body for battle. Next, we add cayenne pepper. The capsaicin inside instantly clears congestion and sneezing. We balance it with apple cider vinegar, which creates an alkaline environment where bad bugs struggle to survive. Finally, a touch of honey adds antibacterial power and makes it go down smooth. The recipe: blend half a peeled cucumber, 2 garlic cloves, half an inch of ginger, 1 tablespoon of ACV, a pinch of cayenne, and a drizzle of honey. Blend until liquefied. This makes 2 shots. Drink one on an empty stomach for a total system kickstart, and save the second for later. Whether you're feeling run down or want to stay ahead of the curve, this tonic is a game changer. Like this video to help spread this vital health news, and comment below. What's your go-to natural remedy? I'm Dr. Liora Bennett. Stay strong, stay healthy, and make it a great day.